Hi, I'm Rosie Batista with Sleeping Naked After 40, and I'm here today on behalf of ehow.com to bring you a low-calorie smoothie recipe. Now, this is really so simple. We have 4 ingredients and water, and what we're going to do is we're just going to put our water into the blender. We're going to take some ginger, and the way you peel ginger is with a spoon. It's really simple instead of having to use a knife, and you just use the edge of the spoon and simply rub the skin, push it downward, and push it away. It's that easy. Simple, and you expose all the fresh ginger that's inside. There you go. And now we're going to take an inch of this ginger. I'm going to put it right into our blender. And then we're going to take our fresh lemon, and we're going to do something a little bit different. We're just going to take the lemon. We're going to scoop out our seeds. And we're just going to cut off the little tip here. But we're going to use the whole lemon with the skin intact because there's actually more vitamins, 5 to 10% more vitamins in the actual skin of the lemon than the actual juice. So we're just going to throw that whole thing in. We have half a Granny Smith apple. I've already taken out the pits. One in there. And now we have a cup of frozen spinach. And I love using frozen because I always know that they're in my freezer and I don't have to worry about it. And also it's adding the coolness to the smoothie without adding ice, which adds all the extra water. So we're going to just dump this in. And we are good to go. We're going to put our top on. We are going to, this is going to take a little bit of time to chunk up to grind down the apple, but this blender is really powerful and it's going to make this amazing smooth energy drink for us. So I'm going to turn the blender on. So we have this gorgeous like Kelly green color. And we're just going to, I like to use see-through glasses so I can see how beautiful and colorful they are. And this is just a little canning jar, which I took the lid off. We're just going to pour it in there. Now you can also adjust the liquid to make it a little bit more liquidy if you'd like, or a little less liquidy. I like to eat my smoothies with a spoon, so I like them a little thick. But look at how pretty that is. I mean, and it's just so different. So let's give it a taste and see what we got here. Oh, that is the perfect amount of lemon and ginger. That's delicious. Cheers to your health, and ciao for now.